Open source digital public goods or DPGs are increasingly being seen as key levers for achieving sustainable development goals in middle and low income countries. DPGs offer multiple advantages to public institutions, especially governments. India has been one of the early movers in setting up DPGs to democratize technology for the next 6 billion through exemplary contributions like Aadhaar, UPI, and the Diksha platform. But to power the next wave of innovation around DPGs, we need to involve young engineering talent. They need more exposure to the open source DPG ecosystem and require close mentoring and handholding to kickstart their professional journey in this space. Code for GovTech is an attempt to do precisely this, getting young engineers engaged and enthusiastic about building for Bharat and what we have to offer to the world.
Code for GovTech or C4GT is India's first GovTech coding and mentoring program targeted towards the young engineering talent across the country. As part of this, the young engineers get an opportunity to contribute towards open source digital public goods that are live and are being used by millions of people across the country. And while doing that, getting mentored from leading practitioners in the GovTech space. Let's see how the first year of C4GT unfolded.
What's your message to our selected cohort now who would be working towards these DPG projects over the next 45 days? What would you like to say to them?
Only like maybe 2 or 3 messages. One, you are very, very lucky. I can tell you, because you are going to be, the code and the stuff that you're going to be doing is going to actually impact not few million, 10 million, 5 million, 100 plus million. Okay, of people in this country. So be very lucky, very proud. Be very proud of yourself. Second, shamelessly learn. And third, most importantly, have fun. Definitely have fun. If you are not waking up wanting to do it, please don't.
Great. I think this is a large project. If you look at it, if you really want to scale it, and the work scaling is a different level of work, and that'll be very interesting. Great job, guys.
So, firstly, I think I've been super impressed. I think I work with a lot of technology teams in government, far older than all of you guys. And I think the contributions I've seen, I saw the timeline chart of how much time you have taken to kind of deliver this. So it goes back to, my belief that even each individual and each little contribution that we all make really adds to the larger whole of making things move forward. So, firstly, very impressed by both the effort as well as the quality of work that I think you've been able to produce in a very short time.
I listened to so many GovTech leaders in the midpoint showcase where they gave so many suggestions and also features that could be added in our project. I'm understanding how things actually happen, what's the bigger picture behind these GovTech goods, how the digital goods are actually made, what is the amalgamation of technology with the government so that it could be used in real life. So I think it's a really good experience for me.
What I see is that C4GT actually gives them opportunity to just do that. They get exposed to all these GovTechs, DPGs, and they can contribute. And everybody whom I have spoken to is actually very eager to kind of write their first line of code.
This is such a win-win kind of a project. On the one hand, harnessing the energy, power, enthusiasm of our youth to solve big societal problems using tech, and at the same time giving our young innovators an experience and joy of working on India's GovTech challenges. And I hope this is the start of a movement. Today is the start of a movement where not only can this program be scaled in its future avatars, but the idea of creating such a bridge between students and government can be taken forward in many other areas.
Code for GovTech is playing a crucial role by introducing the youth to this concept by actually building public goods that the government can use.
The message I want to pass on is the one I found in the inauguration event of C4GT program. One of the keynote speakers, Pramod Verma, said this to all the cohort members, that we should shamelessly learn. Like, I felt this line helped me a lot during the C4GT journey. Like, it always pushed me, and I think this should be the same line that I would like to pass on to the next cohort.